project, but what subject should I do it on? Now that I'm finished with this model, I can record the video. Cells/neurons contain the basic necessary structures of just about any eukaryotic cell, complete with a nucleus, mitochondria, etc., and they are only found in animal cells. I will now go over some exclusive neuron structures. Dendrites are basically stimulus receptors that respond to many different stimuli, and they also bring electrical signals to the cell body. Axons take information away from the cell body. Action potentials create electrical impulses. The electrical impulse moves down the axon to the axon terminal. From there, the signal can be sent to a neighboring cell with a chemical neurotransmitter. I'll now tell you about the path of the cell's information. As I told you before, the dendrites pick up stimulus. The stimulus triggers an action potential in the cell membrane. The action potential travels through the axon, its speed increased by myelin sheath cells. The myelin sheath prevents the gates from its part of the axon from opening and exchanging its ions with the outside environment. Gaps between myelin sheath cells are called nodes of Ranvier. The nodes of Ranvier are where the ion charges necessary for the production of an action potential takes place. When potential reaches the axon terminal, it interacts with structures called synaptic knobs, causing the movement of vesicles containing neurotransmitter chemicals toward the synaptic knob membranes. A mouthful, I know. When vesicles reach the cell membrane of a synaptic knob, it fuses with it and releases its neurotransmitter into the synaptic region. Basically, this means that the signal is released to another neuron. Bipolar cell/interneuron has two extensions. They are specialized sensory neurons made for the transmission of senses. A unipolar cell/sensory neuron has one extension that branches into two directions. One branch is a sensory nerve fiber, and the other enters into synaptic contact. A multipolar cell/motoneuron also has one extension, but it has many dendrites to absorb a large amount of information from other neurons. This neuron makes up the majority of neurons in the human body/animal. Well, that is all I have right now on neurons, and I hope you like this video.